Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. In this video I am not going to do a review or anything. As I am at home and I have exams, I have not gone outside to review vehicles. So I thought why not show you to how to change the tire of the Royal Enfield. It is our bullet and it's time to change the stock tires. It is a CH Secura Sport.
So the vehicle has run 37,652 kilometers over here, as you can see.
So let me show you the tire. This is the tire. This is a stock tire CH Secura Sport. As you can see, the condition is almost worst. It's time to change the tire. The tire size is 3.2519. We have bought a new tire which is the Michelin Sirac Street. I had gone through almost everything, all the websites and even YouTube. Many of them suggested to go for this, as in my place here in Kochi it is raining and for wet grip it is the best, I believe. Let me show you the tire. So here it is, the Michelin Sirac Street. Let me show you the bill. It costed me around 2350, which I believe is worth. I don't know much. But unfortunately, the place where we bought the tire, they told that we don't have fitting available there. So we thought why not do it ourselves. Let me show you how to do. The width of the Michelin tire is slightly bigger than the Seat tires. Even the grips are very good. I think it gives good grips on wet surfaces as well. So friends, we have changed the tire finally, like this. From this to this over here. Let me put this down over here first. And it just took 1.5 hours for changing the tire. My dad itself did it completely. I helped him. The work is done cleanly. Now we have to just fill in the air and it's ready to be fixed onto the bike. We use these only two tools. Let me show you. This, a normal screwdriver and a piece of metal. These are the only two tools which we use to change the tire. Please don't depend on the guys who change the tire for you. And by wasting money, if you have time and if you know to do the work, you can do it. Where there is a will, there is a way. In the COVID time, I have learned this, how to fix a tire into a bike. Or change the tire. In future, when I am in a run, Suppose the vehicle gets punctured and there are no shops nearby. Where will I go? If I have the tools, I can do it myself. If my dad can do it with only these two tools, then why can't I do it? So children, whoever are watching it, this is a true lesson for you. Even there's a true lesson that my dad taught me today. Now let's go fill the air and fix it to the bike. As we are remove the tire, you should apply grease. A little bit of grease is enough over there and in the wheel. Now we'll attach the wheel. This is how it attaches. You can apply grease over here also on this rod. Over there as well. This is how you insert the rod inside. Just push it like this. Slight adjustments may be needed to push the rod inside perfectly. And also keep this thing perfectly. After inserting the rod, make sure that you count the grooves over here in the chain adjuster. Should be equal on both the sides. You should count on both the sides, left and the right, so that the wheel remains balanced properly. If it is not proper, I mean even on both the sides, the wheel may not be balanced properly or aligned properly. It is better that you tighten the nut with hand initially, and then after tightening it by hand, you can use the spanner. The spanner which we are using is of the size 24. Just tighten like this, and while tightening you should keep one thing in mind, that is, rotate the wheel and apply the brakes. The wheel should be locked, then you should tighten it. The wheel should be locked and then tighten it completely. And it is in place, it is tightened.
We have filled the air and also fit the tire to the bike. It looks like this from the side. This is how the tire looks from the back. The old tire was 3.2519 and this is 3.5019. It doesn't look very bulky as such. Even we went for a ride and it feels very comfortable and smooth. The mileage also has not dropped. Earlier it used to give a mileage of approximately 40 kilometers. After the ride we checked and it is the same as before. I would recommend to go for this other than 3.25. This is better. Not very bulky or anything like that. Let me rotate it.